So this is Cabo San Lucas behind me this is the view from my stateroom with the balcony on this cruise ship. And there's Cabo right there, you can see. And there's beaches, and there's gonna be so much fun to be had out here. So I'm gonna make an offer for all of you watching this. I get to deduct all the travel expenses from this trip, the cost of the cruise, the food, the beverages, airfare. I stayed at a hotel one night before disembarking from our port. All of that is a tax write-off. And the reason it's a tax write-off for me is because I'm coming on board to attend these workshops about wellness and health and looking and feeling younger as you get older. Just whatever encompasses the wellness industry, because I have a home business that I enrolled into years ago. But the moment that I became a home business owner in the industry of, say, wellness, and wellness encompasses a lot, there are so many deductions that opens up for me, for you, for anybody that decides to take this path. So that's my offer for you. If you want to learn how to and be equipped to just create a beautiful life for yourself and be able to take magical trips, this is rich. Like experiences, creating experiences, in my opinion, that's true rich, creating experiences. Some people make a lot of money and they don't really get to create experiences, and their personal life sucks and they fight with everybody and who knows what's going on. But to be able to create experiences, man, oh my God, that's the best, that's rich in my opinion. So for those of you that are interested in wellness and you want to learn how to make money in wellness and you want to learn how to capture these tax deductions and travel and create enriching experiences through your travels and being able to write all that stuff off, then private message me. That's my offer to you. I've been doing it for over 10 years. I feel like I know a lot I can show you, and I'm happy to do it step by step, including an onboarding process for people that are new and don't know anything. Just be hungry to learn. That was my only saving grace. I didn't know dick about this, to be honest with you, but I loved learning. That was my only saving grace. So if you love learning and you like wellness and you want to learn how to make money in wellness and create a beautiful life and be able to capture tax deductions, including going on trips like this, just private message me and I'll show you what I've been doing for over 10 years. And if it's a good fit for you, we'll do it. We'll lock arms and we'll do it together. I'm here with a group. It'd be awesome to have you part of this whole team, this environment of people. You know what I'm saying? So I look forward to hearing from some of you who are gonna private message me because you saw this video. So bye for now. And my website, by the way, is tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. tomberkenmeyer.com. I'll see you soon. I got a tender to catch to go to that beautiful island over there. Or it's not an island, but you know what I mean. Bye for now.